Most scooters can go faster, but there's one wire stopping them. And today, I'll quickly show you how to remove it, step by step. In many countries, like in Europe, scooters are sold with factory speed limiters, mostly due to local laws and safety rules. Here's an example. This scooter was locked at 20 kilometers per hour by default, but after removing the speed limiter, boom, it now hits 45 kilometers per hour. But remember, more speed means more strain on your battery. It might void your warranty, and in some places, it could even be illegal. So do this at your own risk. And by the way, if you're looking for top-rated accessories to upgrade your scooter, we've listed our best finds in the description below. All right, let's get started. Most electric scooters have a limiter wire inside the controller, which is usually found under the scooter deck. Use a screwdriver to open it up carefully. Now find the speed limiter wire. In most models, it's blue, but in some cases, it might be white or gray, depending on your scooter. Once you found it, just cut the wire. This wire acts as a loop that restricts your speed. After cutting, make sure to insulate both ends with tape to prevent any short circuits. And that's it. You've successfully removed the speed limit from your electric scooter. Ride safe. And if this helped you, give the video a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy scooter tips.